SourceTree is a graphical Git client that makes it easy to manage repositories hosted on platforms like GitLab. Here's how to use SourceTree with GitLab. Install SourceTree. Download and install SourceTree from the official website. Connect SourceTree with GitLab. Open SourceTree and go to Preferences, Accounts. Click Add Account and select Git as the source. Enter your GitLab credentials or sign in using OAuth if available. Clone a repository from GitLab. Click Clone Repository or open existing repository. Choose Git as the source and enter the repository URL. SourceTree will clone the repository to your local machine. Manage local changes. After cloning, you can make changes directly in SourceTree. Stage files for commits. View diffs to understand changes made. Commit changes with descriptive commit changes. Commit and push changes. Once changes are made and staged, commit them. Click Push to upload changes back to the GitLab repository. Pull changes. To get updates from GitLab, click Pull. SourceTree will fetch the latest changes from the remote repository and merge them into your local branch. View repository history. Use the History tab in SourceTree to view past commits, branches, and changes. Manage branches. Create new branches, switch between branches, and resolve merge conflicts directly from SourceTree. Create merge requests. You can create and manage merge requests within SourceTree for collaborative work.